everyone. In this video today, I will be sharing with you some additionals that I am personally using for my children. Know Your IQ Max. It's really good. All the questions, the set of questions in these books are really challenging for the given grade, and I believe they will really help in improve the logical and critical thinking of children when it comes to math especially. And these books are also recommended for IQ test, IMO and other Olympiad or any kind of talent exam preparation. So they will have an hands-on experience on how these questionnaires are going to be. These books are available in Amazon. They are available grade-wise. If you see, the book I have is for grade 3, and these books are available from grade 1 to 8. So apart from the No IQ, I am also using the hardcode books for maths. So I am using these hardcode books for maths, and how this is different from the regular CBSE or ICSE books is that these books have more of hands-on with even other concepts when it comes to multiplication and division, how it is applied in our day-to-day lives. What are some examples are given where you go hands-on with things in your home and anything around you, what children are exposed to, using them as an example. These kinds of hands-on and steps what is provided in these books are different. The same hardcode I also tried science book. These science books again they are available grade wise. The hardcode books science and maths both are available grade wise, grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 onwards. Even the entire content and everything is vast, it is deeper and it is wide. The content is more when compared to the regular CBSE books, and it also goes much deeper in these books. So if you see the science hardcode books, if you see here, there is how scientists work. So there is an idea given to children about how scientists work. So how they plan an investigation, what are the steps that they do, what will be the step 1, then what will be the following steps to be done by the children. So these steps are explained to children, the same step what is carried out by scientists, and children are encouraged to follow these steps and make their own findings, discoveries or journals and etc. Apart from that, there is also a set of books from Know About Science. This book is from Dreamland, Know About Science. They have a lot of books. If you see, the one I am showing you is on weather. So this book is about weather. When I say weather, anything and everything about weather is included in this. So what are floods, what is hurricane, what is tornado, what is cyclone, what are the differences among them, what is thunder, how clouds are formed, how rains are formed, and going ahead about the instruments which is used in finding out the weather. And there are also some hands-on experiments that children can do at home. So this particular book is on weather. Same way, there are a lot of books from Dreamland, Know About Science. They have like about Earth, about universe, about chemistry, magnetism, light, sound, air, etc. So these books are something which will help children to explore and discover. And this book is good. And the way the book is, the picture, how the pictures are given, and everything is there. Well, so this is another book I tried and I saw it is really nice. The way children are reacting, responding to these books are really good.